Here are the big words that are taking the industry by storm: machine learning. Now, throughout the course, we're going to explore this topic as well as data science and how it all fits into the tech space. But first things first, you need to be able to explain this topic to your coworkers and not look like you don't know what you're talking about. So let's start with this. You see, machines, or computers in this case, are really, really good at certain things, right? Machines can perform tasks really, really fast. And we can control these machines and get them to do tasks for us, which is what programming is. We program computers. We give them instructions to do tasks, and they do it for us. You see, computers came into this world because it allowed humans to do certain tasks really fast that may have required hundreds of workers before. I mean, computers used to actually mean people who do tasks that compute. They computed things. So for example, let's say I wanted to find out how to get to Daniel's house using Google Maps. Well, one option is I could pull out a map and with a ruler measure each of the routes that I could take to Daniel's house. And then do some math, do some addition, and find the shortest path. Or I could ask a computer to do this. Imagine we had 10 different routes. Instead of me measuring each route one by one, I could simply program and ask a computer, hey, can you tell me how to get to Daniel's house? And through programming, we tell the computer, can you calculate really quickly these 10 routes and find the shortest one? That's what programming is. Instead of me taking 10 minutes to figure out how to get to Daniel's house and the fastest route, I just click a button and the computer tells me what to do. Obviously, we have to program it and give it instructions, but once we give it a set of instructions, it, just like that, finds the solution for us. It computes solutions. And you know why computers became so popular? Because computers saved companies lots of money. Instead of hiring lots of workers, well, let's just buy a computer that does the task of 100 workers, and there you go. We saved a lot of money, and computers don't complain. They'll work 24/7 for you. Now, these machines or computers are really good at things that we can describe, right? That we can write in code, if-else blocks to do something. By the way, if you're new to programming, don't worry. We're actually going to start you off from scratch as well with Python. So don't worry, this part is just theoretical. So for example, let's say we talk about routes. I can say to the computer, hey, if route 1 is shorter than route 2, and if route 1 is shorter than route 3, and if route 1 is shorter than route 4, and also route 5, well, then pick route 1 as the best option. I can describe that through programming to computers. And computers are really good at working on tasks that have these defined rules, all the way up to a game of chess. When you play a game of chess against a computer, we could technically have these